Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing some friend mail from Erica Mullins, and she's fabulous. She has a channel here on YouTube. I will link it below. She has a beautiful family and a sweetheart, and she's just wonderful. So she sent me this little package. She's so good to me. She's always sending me something. Enzo, can we not do all this while I'm filming, please? Enzo really wants to be a part of this. Erica, you got this taped up tight, girl. Tight. My camera dies on me, I'll scream. Alright, so it is packed full of goodies. Let's see if I can get something out. She's always such a sweetie. She always writes me a sweet little note. She's got this little baggie with stickers on it with her little puppies. She's got pugs. Come here, Enzo. She always writes me a little note. I love it. I know I'm going to enjoy everything, Erica. It's wonderful. Enzo, Erica sent us something. Oh, Erica. Hey! Enzo, hey, come on. Sorry about that, my beauties. Alright. So Erica sent me this little ring. It's so cute. I think I've seen these before. They like snap on. They have like different things on them, and this is a hamsa hand, like my tattoo. And then this is like a little red stone. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, sweetie. It's beautiful. Okay. Just got a bunch of cool stuff wrapped up. Oh. She sent me a headband. Look at my hair. I need one, right? It has to say that when I touch my ears still, they're a little tender. Erica's like, that's really not how you do it, Susan. But God bless you. You're getting there. Right? Right? She's like, no. No, she's talking to me while she watches this and says, what have you done? What have you done, cutie? I'd have to play with my hair some. But like, and normally you would put them over your ears like this. What do you think? I love it. It's so cute. Yes. I'm gonna be a little Miss Fashionista. It's like a cream colored. It's perfect. I love it, Erica. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sweetie. Oh my goodness. Erica got me this Wonder Woman, this huge Wonder Woman pen. It's like, I use it as a talking stick. Like, it's like, no, she didn't. Oh, it's so sweet. I used to love fans when I was a little girl. I'll have to use this when I'm having my hot flashes here. Precious. There's an orange one. There's an orange one. Love it. Love it. She'll have the other one in my hair. I don't know what I took it out for. Oh, Erica. She's so good to me. Oh, look, she did a red one for me. There's a red one. Now that's what we're talking about. We're going to do this more smooth this time. She's like, what is she doing? I'm sorry, Erica. It takes me time, honey. It just takes me time. My hair is a wreck. We're getting our hair colored tomorrow. I don't know what color we're getting it colored, but we're getting it colored. I love the little red one. It matches my hair. Right now, I don't really need it on my ears because I'm in the house, but my camera's dying slowly. It looks like I have 2 more in here, and if I know Erica, it's black and gray. Gray. She knows my colors. She knows me so good. But oh, I love America. Thank you so much. Thank you for all my goodies. It was wonderful. You're so sweet. So sweet to me. All right, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. And Erica, I just can never thank you enough. I just love you so much, and I hope you're having a great time with the boys and feeling much better. I love you so much. Mwah.